All right, this is questions 3 and 4 on the CBA review. For this first one, it says identify which expression is equivalent to x to the 3/4 power. This is where we're changing it into radical form. Remember our phrase, roots grow underground. So remember, this is a root symbol. So I definitely don't want these. They don't even have a root symbol. So I'm down to a 50-50 shot. Roots grow underground is our phrase to help us remember that the root, the thing underground, the thing underneath, is the root number, which means it's going to go right here. So there's the 4, the 3 is the power, and that's all you got to do. So that's A for number 3. Roots grow underground. All right, number 4, this one you're combining exponents. Remember your rule, if you're multiplying two exponents with the same base, all you have to do is add up the numbers. Really, you can think of this as x to the 3rd is x times x times x, and x to the 6th is this. That's really what that means. Well, 3 plus 6 makes x to the 9th power. Do not multiply them. It's just that one. That's your answer. That's all.